Right, Honda Civic 2007, so it's the Mark 8, 2005 to 2011. Where to jack? Well, we know where to jack the car up from. The normal place where it recommends in the handbook. There's the flat bits here. There's my front wheel. There's a flat bit there, that's where we jack it from. Where to put the stands though? I've noticed right at the front here could be an okay spot. There's a subframe here and on this bolt here, but when you're with the under tray on you just can't see it, so it's a bit risky because I'm jacking it here, I'm putting the axle here, but here, so kind of like up 1, 2, so 1, 2, 2 hand, 1 3/4 hands from where that spot is. No, 2 hands. There's a hole here, and with the under tray on, the under tray, normally you could kind of half cover that. Oh, it will cover it. It kind of comes down like that. It just covers it. That spot there, you have a fastener there. And a fastener here. Alright, so on this side where those 2 fasteners are, it's before that, it's just here. I'm on the left side of the vehicle. Right in that spot there, looks really, there's lots of metal there. It's a good spot. And on the right side you have 2 plastic fasteners, one here and the other one I think is this one, and again it's before that. And how far is it away? My hand, 2 hands away, probably much just forward of that last edge, forward edge there, and come straight across 2 hands. And there's a nice big bit there where that hole is. It's nice and flat. That's where I would jack it from. The plastic cover is going to cover it. I think it covers it. Definitely covers it. Well, I'll put the plastic cover on and double check later on. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, just to let you know, with the bottom cover nearly fully on, jacking point, I recommend that kind of hole there, right there. That goes on there, right there. Put a piece of wood there or something, spread the weight out, and that looks pretty strong, right there. Pretty good spot. Close to this, it's all along the same kind of line. This is attached to that subframe. It's possible to do the subframe, but could be possible here. That's visible. So this could be a point here. This is a good point. Right, thanks for watching.